Well, good day. My name's Tom Singer. I'm going to be picking up your class here for the last month and helping you complete your projects. We've got 3 projects that we're going to focus on: the puzzle cube, the arbor press, and your candy dispenser. So keep some Easter candy that you may pick up or have around. It goes half price here soon. So make sure that you pick up some different types of candies that you can use to measure and use for your candy dispenser. The puzzle cube project, we're going to focus on getting you the right deliverables. Looking at the deliverables so far, there was a lot of images, JPEG pictures of screen captures, and that's not what we're shooting for. What we're going to utilize is the model files and the drawing sheets. And so there is a video that's available on my YouTube channel, and it should be available in our class, goes through that process of how to create a drawing sheet from Fusion 360. My YouTube channel, by the way, is Tom Singer, and you could just Google search Tom Singer YouTube videos, and you'll see my image up there. And I've got a YouTube channel on Autodesk products and starting a couple of SolidWorks videos too, but primarily on Autodesk products. The second project is the arbor press. That one is probably the most difficult out of all the projects that we have to accomplish. Looking at some of the drawings, the modeling that you guys have been creating have been great. Now we just have to document them properly is the big thing that needs to get done. So if you haven't gotten the puzzle cube turned in, we got to get that turned in properly. If you turned it in and it was just screen captures, we need to return that back in so we can grade it properly. So what I'd like to get is some PDF files of all the drawing sheets. So sheet number 1 will be the exploded assembly. Sheet 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 will be the individual part files from the puzzle cube in the order that the balloons are. So whatever part 1 is, part 2, part 3, and the order of the balloons, that's the way that the order of the drawing sheets should be in your puzzle cube packet. You'll be able to drag and drop those drawing sheets over on the left hand side into the proper order in the drawing sheet window. The arbor press, as I indicated, quite a few parts and pieces. That may require me to do a couple of live presentations into your class. We'll try to set up some times where I can be broadcast in through Zoom into your classroom. If not, I will do a couple of recordings for the class and focus on some of the most common problems we run into with the arbor press. There's a couple of things that we have that are a little bit more challenging. You get the free parts going in of the spur gear and the rack itself, so you don't have to deal with any of the gearing components in terms of the design. So you get those and you can download and utilize those as part of the class. The other parts you do have to create. And it's not that the parts are extremely difficult, but there are quite a few parts that you do need to create. There's a couple of parts that are a challenge. The handle hub and the handles are definitely a little bit more of a challenge, and those are the ones that we may need to shoot a couple of videos on, and I've shot several videos over the period of time on those. So those are also available up on my YouTube channel. So there's things that are up there, quick hit videos and stuff that I don't log into class. A lot of them are questions that students have posed, and I've done a real short video on that topic, and I just posted on my YouTube channel, so it's up there. Third project will be our candy dispenser. This is where you get to design a mechanical system to dispense candy. Not sure how that's going to be done. You probably don't have any idea on how that's going to be done either right now. but we'll spend about 10 days focusing on that project, and you'll come up with some type of a dispensing system that's going to be a mechanical application. And if you want to take it to the next level in the future, you could take those parts, 3D print them, and actually try to make your candy dispense. Is the whole next step with all this kind of fun stuff. And we'll work together to get these 3 projects completed before the end of May. And if you have questions, you can email me through the class. I'll be now looking at your class on a weekly basis and working with you to complete the projects. So have a great week, and we'll get this started. Take care.